Hello students, Beena Shukla here with a new topic, homophones. Today we will know about these type of words. Those are same. First of all, we should know what are homophones. As you can see, homo, HOMO. Homo means same. Same. एक जैसा. The same. Nim means word. Any word. Now these are, you can see here, these are two types. Homograph and homophone. Homograph. Homo, same. Graph means written. What is written? जो written way में same है. You can see here bow, tier, record. Means this record and this record same spellings, but both words are not same. This is record. We play it. This is noun. This record, to record, action. But in the written way, they both are same. In the same way, you can see here tear, those are coming out of eyes, and tear, this is action. Tear the page. Bow, this is accessory. We use it, and bow means to bend down. This is action. Again, this is noun, this is action. But when you read, the spelling is same. So these are graph. Those you can see that written in a same way. But their meaning is different. Those are graph. We are going to do phone. Phone means sound. You listen. Phone, you listen. Homo means same. Means same in sound. As you can see here, see. See, water body. It's a noun, water body. And see, action. See through eyes. Night, dark night. Opposite of day and night. This. Right, again action. Right, adjective. Right or wrong. So these are same in sound, but when you see them, you read them, spelling is different and meaning is also different. So homophones are words having the same pronunciation but different spelling and meaning. Spelling is different, meaning is different, but when we speak, these seem to same sound, same pronunciation. For example, two words you can see here, no. Both here spelling is only NO and here spelling is KNOW. But when we speak, we say no. No, I don't know, don't do this. No is opposite of yes. No, I know this, I don't know this. I know him, I don't know him. Janna. But we speak in the same way, but they are spelled differently and have different meanings. Known, there is a word known, that is opposite of unknown, and the word know is the opposite of yes. Some examples you can see here of homophones. Our house. Are you coming to tea? Are you going to see Harry Potter? It's a verb. Or pronoun. Our house. Their pronoun. Their caravan is over. There means the people. Here are those people who were in this bus. Their journey is finished now. So this is replacing to those people. Noun. while there is here the symbol of a place. The books are on the table over there, place. And I have heard that they are going. This is contraction. They are. Two words are squeezed here. They are. A is missed here to make it a contraction. So they are going on holiday. This is they are. It is there, a place. It is pronoun, there, people. But when we speak in a same way. But when we write, spellings are different and their meanings are also different. Cell or cell. Cell, you can see here, is a small room in which a prisoner is locked up. And one cell is considered as the smallest structural and functional unit of any organism. You can see here. And if we are going to use this cell, breaking a cell is difficult for almost every prisoner because it is very strong. So these are nouns. But cell, S-E-L-L, means to exchange a product or service for money. So I am thinking to sell my car, or I am thinking to sell my flat for the better deal. Sell, action. It is action. It is verb. It is S-E-L-L. And this one is C-E-L-L. But when we speak sell. When we speak sell, then the listener who will listen, he or she will take the meaning of cell as per sentence. How it is, which cell is referred here. Okay? जब हम बोलेंगे सेल, तो आप जो सेंटेंस, जिस सेंटेंस में हम सेल का प्रयोग कर रहे होंगे, तो उस सेंटेंस को सुन के आप अंदाज लगाएंगे कि हम कौन से सेल की बात कर रहे हैं. अगर हम उसको क्रिया की तरह यूज करेंगे एज ए वर्ब, देन SELL. और अगर हम नाउन प्रिजनर के साथ बताते हैं या किसी प्लेस के बारे में सेल देते हैं, तो आप समझ जाएंगे कि ये CELL है. Here is deer and deer. Deer. This is animal. Deer. It was very important source of food for early humans. Deer. And while you are my dear ones, when we talk about beloved person, then we use dear. But this deer is DEAR. And this deer is DEER. I, body part of our face. Eye is a part of our body that we use for seeing, our sense organ. She has beautiful eyes, right? And I is used as the subject of a verb to refer to the person speaking or writing. I'm the best. I'm pretty sure that you are already aware of this word. So, this is I, only I, and this is EYE. But when you speak in the same way, spelling different, use different, meaning different. Next pair is tail. Tail. You love tales. TALE is a fictitious or true narrative or a story. You like it, a story, short story, narrative, as Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves is one of the most popular Arabian tales. So these are tale, TALE, and TAIL. It is body part of an animal, especially when prolonged beyond the rest of the body. It is out. Animal tail is a part of his body that extends from his posterior. The dog wagged its tail excitedly. So if here you are going to write TALE, it will be totally wrong. So TALE for stories, for narratives, and TAIL is for body part. Here, action. It means to perceive with the ear the sound made by someone or something. I'm unable to hear your voice. Can you please speak aloud? that is HEAR. Here again place indicates a place where you are at any moment here. Welcome guys, here you will find appropriate content for learning new homophones here in this lesson. Here, place, right? So this is action, hearing. Here it is action, but this is adverb. Where the action takes place. Here the action takes place. So it is adverb here. But spelling different, uses different, but in listening they are same. So they are called homophones. Hole. Hole you can see here. It is a gap or hollow place in a solid body or surface. So he had a hole in his sock. Hole. It is noun. And whole food. Kitna. This refers to adjective. It means entire, all of. I read the whole book in one day. Whole. Spelling different, but uses different, but in listening same. Mail, 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 mail. M-A-I-L, mail. It is letters, parcels, which are sent by post. Email also comes from this word. So email, mail, M-A-I-L. And male is man or boy. Male, M-A-L-E. Opposite of female. Right? So it is male, M-A-L-E. Meat, meat, meat. Again meat, eatable. It is noun. It is edible flesh from an animal. Vegetarians don't eat meat. So noun. And meet the staff, meet my mom, meet my pa. So this is action. It means when you are introduced to a person for the first time, and it can also refer to letter meetings. So meet. It's a hey guys, let's meet today. So it is action. So it is M-E-E-T, meet. And that eatable is M-E-A-T. But when you listen, again it is homophone. Same sound. One number that comes after 0 and before 2. In my heart, there is only room for one. And one is simple past and past participle form of verb win. When we talk about winning of any prize in past, I won this trophy, that trophy. So, in speaking they are same, but spelling is O-N-E and this is W-O-N. Plain, plain, plain. Plain means not decorated, not elaborated. It is simple or basic in a character. Right? It's good to put a donation in a plain envelope or plain surface. For surface it is used. Plain. While this plane, P-L-A-N-E, is the synonym of aeroplane, aeroplane. So our plane is scheduled to depart at 8:45. Right? This plane, surface, P-L-A-I-N, and this is P-L-A-N-E. So often we become confused and use wrong spelling. So these are again homophones. Son, son, son. S-O-N is a male child. Grandma and grandpa had 4 sons and 2 daughters. So male child, S-O-N. And S-U-N, star, that provides light and heat for the earth and around which the earth revolves. Right? It is the center of our solar system. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So this is S-U-N. Here you can see that most homophone sets have 2 words. But very few have 3 or 4. As you have done there, T-H-E-I-R, T-H-E-R-E, and THEY and R. They are squeezed together. In the same way, two, 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 two. This is TO2. This expresses motion in the direction, in any direction, motion in any direction. Hey Riya, would you like to watch Jurassic Park? Just sometimes I'm going to Agra. So two, direction, motion. Here is TOO2. Two, it is emphasizing word. It means that there is more of something that necessary. Oh really, I like her too. Damn, matlab, what is required more than that? Too much work, too little time. So you can see it is very emphasizing word. So this two is different, TO, and this is TOO, and again TWO. Three are being spoken in the same way. Two, two, two. This is number which comes after one and before three. So you can see that these are the set of three. Two, two, two. But TO2, motion, direction, TOO, excess of, and TWO, number. Sale, sale. For sale, your mamas are very crazy and very fond of sale. S-A-L-E. This is S-A-L-E, sale. This is a noun. It is an act of exchanging something for money. Sometimes it is for low prices. I bought this jacket in the New Year sale, where it means cheap price. So sale. But this sale, S-A-I-L, sale, it is action. When a boat or a ship sails, it travels on the water. Boats sail on water. Sail, motion, it is action. This one is sail, S-A-L-E, and this one is S-A-I-L. Another set is here, wear means have something in one's body as clothing, decoration, protection. She wears very little makeup. She wears blue jacket, like that. This is action, again action. And wear, again symbol of the place, and it means which place or position. It is question mark, where that demands answer in place or any position, but we speak in the same way. Stare or stare, many times you are fighting about that, ma'am, he or she is staring at me. Stare, S-T-A-R-E, means to look for a long time with the eyes wide open, especially when we are surprised, frightened, or sometimes we stare when we are thinking deep in our thought. And the sentence often we say, don't stare at people unnecessarily. Don't stare. So it is घूरना जिसको कहते हैं आप. ये है S-T-A-R-E, stare. It is again action. It is verb. But stare, जीना, सीढ़ियाँ, S-T-A-I-R, is a set of steps leading from one floor of a building to another, typically inside the building. She walked around the ground level looking for the stairs that led to the second floor. So this is S-T-A-I-R, right? Sea or sea, water body. Water body, again, this is noun that contains the salty water that covers a large part of the surface of the earth, or a large area of salty water smaller than an ocean, that is partially or completely surrounded by land, that is sea. I could hear the sound of the sea. This is S-E-A. And see, S-E-E, is an act of perceiving with the eyes. We see things differently. See, S-E-E. So this is action, again verb, and that is S-E-A is noun. Wait for a second, wait for a while. Wait means to stay in one place or to anticipate something. I can't wait to tell Aviral what happened. Please wait, I am coming. So, intizar. This is again action, verb. And wait. Weight, heaviness. That indicates how heavy something is. I have reduced my weight. My weight reduced when I started to follow the proper diet plan. Weight, heaviness, right? Weak, weak. Weak, W-E-A-K. This is the opposite of strong. This is adjective. Weak is strong. Weak is not that much strong. Are you weak in English? Means you are very strong in Hindi, but you are weak in English. Means Hindi is better than your knowledge about Hindi. Your grip in Hindi is more in comparison of English. So that is weak. W-E-A-K. And week, W-E-E-K, is a period of 7 days. You can start Monday to Sunday or Sunday to Saturday. So this is period of 7 days. This is W-E-E-K. So that's all for the day.